We've met with refugees from South Sudan, from Sudan and from the DRC. We've come to the reception centre here with our new Divya washing machine with the purpose of testing out our machine and testing out the context. Does our machine fit for this context?
When I start around 6 immediate, 6 exactly, I end up finishing for that 7 people around also 6 or 7:30, because it's a lot of work, a lot of effort you put.
Nachoka sana, nachoka mugongo, nachoka huku mumikono, juku unama na fula, huku kuna luma.
Since it is my first time to see the machine, for real it is very interesting and very soft, very easy to use.
Pale kwa saa yenyewe anaweza kuwa na naikala na kwani kwa fula juno na nikakufanya hivi. Tayari sitachoka mgongo, sitachoka tena na unaona vitu pale vitajibeba, maisha yanakuwa bie.
I will not feel back pain, I will just use small effort. Like even I want to rest a bit for 10 minutes, I leave the clothes to be in the machine for 10 minutes, I go and do my things. My number one dream, I want to build a businesswoman.
It's been amazing to find another situation where clearly our machine is greatly needed. We wouldn't be possible to be here without your support as the Wash Machine Project supporters. We hope that you'll help us come back here and deliver machines to people.
I'm Laura Tuck and I'm here today with the Washing Machine Project in Kampala, Uganda at Inclusion Support Uganda. This is a local centre for the families and communities of children with disabilities and special needs, and what we've done today is set up a pop-up laundrette to help these families clean their clothes.
Mbadde nkaluubirizibwa nnyo okwoza engoye kubanga oluusi abaana abo balwala ne bakulemesa okwoza n'ozibya nga tolina na mulimu gw'okoze ng'oli kw'oyo omwana abeera tatuula takwata takola ki ng'olina okumubeerako buli kaseera kale ogenda ogamba nti oyoza engoye nga weena okwoye omugongo gukuluma.
So when you have a child with special needs, he or she is always soiling themselves, okay? So this becomes easier to wash, to actually do a lot of multitasking. You can wash, you can cook, you can go to the market and come back and still continue. More so it washes in bulk. The number of clothes that we've washed here, you can't wash them in one day.
So far we've washed 4 loads of laundry and we're hoping to do many more throughout the day.
If we have many clothes, we can take even 4 hours when you are washing. So, but what I see, according to the machine, if we have a lot of clothes, we can use even 30 minutes and a half or 1 hour if we have many clothes.
I think it's really important that we are here today. We're not only testing our machine, but we're helping them with washing their clothes. So not only are they facing the same challenge as any other mother faces, but their children are also producing more clothes that need washing.
Ate mu dakika ntono nnyo oba omaze ate okozesa kitono amazzi okozesa matono ne sabuni naye okozesa mutono.
The hand clothes is very tiresome, so the machine is so easy and speedy.
I think it is more flexible for children with disabilities, but also you see as a new mother, most times in Uganda if you have a C-section you'll not be able to bend, and this can be done actually while seated.
The Washing Machine Project.